If you want a boat that's built to fish better than any other, then you want a Weldcraft. This is the extraordinary new Weldcraft 200 Rebel. Stretching an impressive 22 feet 10 inches in length and 6 feet in width, this vessel has plenty of room for up to 6 passengers and boasts a remarkable carrying capacity of 2,090 pounds. It's designed to be the ultimate companion for any angler. The Weldcraft 200 Rebel is built to last, featuring an all-welded heavy-gauge aluminum frame. Its superior craftsmanship will withstand the test of time and will be your steadfast partner for decades to come. This versatile boat is designed for those who yearn to explore inland waterways like lakes, rivers, and reservoirs with total confidence. It features the Fisherman's Transom, equipped with a split-lid cutting board and a full-capacity fish box. This innovation allows you to prepare your catch on the go and store it securely until you return to the shore. The Weldcraft 200 Rebel also features the revolutionary reel tread decking, strategically placed in the recessed bow, on the back swim deck, and atop the gunnels. This advanced decking ensures unwavering grip even in slippery conditions. It also provides remarkable sound-deadening properties to keep your fishing experience peaceful and serene. The cockpit is meticulously designed for comfort and convenience. Spanning an impressive 73 inches in length and width, there is plenty of room for 2 anglers to fish side by side. It's a sanctuary where you can cast lines, reel in your catch, and create lasting memories with friends and family. For long days on the water, the Weldcraft 200 Rebel includes plush 26-inch bench seating for your comfort as you wait for the big catch. The driver and front passenger are treated to suspension pedestal seating, providing superior comfort. The Weldcraft 200 Rebel promises you the angling experience of a lifetime. Whether you're navigating tranquil lakes or challenging rivers, this boat is your trusted fishing companion. Get ready to create lasting memories as you explore the water with the Weldcraft 200 Rebel.